All right, it's my 2014 Lexus Is250. Got a bunch of custom work done. I got parts from all over the world. Start off with this one right here. The hood is from Russia. I had to send my OEM hood in. We had it cut in the middle, and they had a fiberglass molded right to it. Shout out to MV Tuning for the hood. Appreciate it. We got custom headlights done with quad demon eye with quad edge lenses from Retrofit Source. We have some ghost lighting going on. Nia front lip and side skirts. As we come into the car, we have diamond stitched floor mats going on. Custom A-pillar to hold my 3P controller setup. We have 2 sets of Audio Frog G62s in the doors, along with GS42s in the front dash. Flow Series wheel lights from Lighting Trends. As we roll on to the back, we have another MV Tuning part, rear diffuser, custom trunk setup, 2 compressor setup from Airlift with a P3 Rockford Fosgate. And as we close the trunk, I have a custom molded Rowan International duckbill that's been molded, and we got a Remark exhaust down below. Give it a little rumble, and that's pretty much it. Follow me on Instagram, Bag250.